One sunny morning, Sarah found a mysterious map inside an old book upon her shelf. The map led to a hidden treasure beneath an ancient tree beside the river. Excited, Sarah called her friend Jack, and together they set off toward the forest. They searched among the trees, looking for clues. Suddenly, they stumbled upon a hidden cave within the woods. Inside, they found the treasure underneath a pile of rocks. They laughed and hugged with joy, grateful for their adventure.
Excuse me, where's the nearest bank?
It's beside the post office.
No, it's just around the center.
Thank you. Is it very long distance to walk?